2:14. I slept in. Well, I slept in. I guess I should do a review. Oh, that's convenient. Okay, let's do a review on Bill and Ben. And action. Hey guys, Andy here, and welcome to another review. This review is on the 2002 old-style Bill and Ben. First, let's get some history on the characters. The two engines were introduced in the story The Diesel, aka the branch line engines. They work at the Soda Core Company, aka the CCC, or the Soda China Clay Company. They were introduced in the episode The Diesels. When the two came back from doing some shunting, they found that their China Clay trucks were missing. So they were, and then they remembered a notice in the shed that said coughs and sneezels spread diseases, aka, but they thought it said diseasels. So they go to find whoever stole their trucks, and it turned out to be Boko, the Metropolitan Vickers Class A. Yes, and I do not know the name of it, so please put it in the comments, please. So the actual models themselves originally had sticker decals for the SCC and nameplate and the red lining, but they didn't have the number 2. I customized that. I put that on, and I know it's supposed to be right here, but I didn't really have anything to make it blend in there. I only have black Sharpie, so I just put the 1s and 2s on their side tanks. So there were 3 renditions of these twins. One of the pairs is the one that I currently own, but they don't look that different face-wise, except for Bill's eyes looking to the left, and Ben's going right on. The second rendition had little wooden chimneys, different faces, and that was about it. And the Bill and Ben models that were released last year were my least favorite. Sure they had the red wheels and the chimneys, but still Ben was blue, and Bill, well, he was basically neon. But they did have the red wheels, which the previous models didn't have because they weren't on it in the TV series at those points. So I can't really nitpick about that. Also, and I did some small customizations. As I said, the numbers, the buffers, and the little doors on the back of both. But one of the things that I have to nitpick about these models is the coloring. I mean, I honestly wished that they kind of reversed the colors, instead of it having the color being tan and the SCC being yellow, or should be the other way around, so you could at least read it. But overall, these models are really good. And sadly, I believe they've only been in 2 episodes of my series. And I plan to have more episodes of them in Season 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hurry! Huh? Who was that? Back here. Where? Whoa! Okay. How do I work this thing? Let's grab it back. Yes. Hello. I am taking over this idiot channel from now on. What? What? No! No! What are you doing? Yeah, I know you caused trouble before. You did this in the Coldly review. You did this in the Coldly review, man. But now I'm gonna finish this once and for all. Okay, I have no idea what you have against me, but I'm going to send you somewhere. Send me somewhere? What do you mean? Wow, now they have. Oh no, we don't have any. Oh, here we go. What's that? An envelope? Yes. To China? What? What's up with that? Oh, yeah, that's where I'm gonna send you. What? No, don't, you can't do this. Actually, yes I can. Stupid things. Okay, Ow! Stop doing that. Okay? Stop it! Ow! You're actually kind of powerful for a little wooden block. For a wooden block, you're really powerful. Get out. Okay, I would hit you with the bat, but I don't have one out. I don't have one. I'm not going to let you out of here. There, however. Yeah, you're not the... Oh, that's mail. Okay, I'm just gonna take this out. Throw you in there. No, 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 no. Too bad I'm moving in here. Forever. Goodbye.